Be careful now what I'm going to say to you people here. There is a company that is using all of the children. Yes, even your children. Yes, the children. There is a thing which is a very small thing with eyes and a nose, and it speaks to your children's inside, and you speak to it, and it says to you things, demonic things from his mouth that you don't understand completely from the beginning, but it will take your children's soul and spiritual inside of them. This demonic thing has inside of it 150 microchips. It speaks to you. You speak to it. I don't want to make it speak to me because I don't like it, and I don't want to get possessed by the devil here today. But look at this thing here. Look, yes, it's fluffy. Do not look at its fluffiness. The fluffiness will fool you. This is a demonic thing with Satan inside. Satan is here within this thing. Do not go and buy this. How can I tell you, please? How can I make you understand? This thing is the demon of the Satan. How can I put it? What is his name? What is his name? Ferbi. Yes. Ferbi. It's a nice name. This thing, now that I have touched the Ferbin, I am now under extreme danger of demonation. Also, what they don't tell you, and I've seen this in a documentary, that if you put water on it, it turns into a demonic monster, eating everything in your house from the fridge. Please, I want everyone to look at this and remember, and do not buy it if you see it in a shop. Do not. It will demonically possess inside everything, your children's. One more thing. Do not go near it because it will mesmerize you. It will go. I know you look at this thing here with its fluffiness and you think, I want to buy this for my children, for my grandchildren, for my niece, my nephew. But you're giving money to the devil here. Why don't you just give the money to the church? So, I'm now going to tell you something else about what is inside this Ferbi thing, these demonic, satanic things here. It also oozes sexy naughtiness. It says the F word. It likes to watch porno films as well. It says to you, come on, let's go watch some sexy films together. And because you are under demonic possession, I sacrifice myself for you. I heard it once and I don't want to hear it again because I can't. It made me want to eat things. It made me very sexy. So please look at it closely. Protect your children. Do not let them see, do not let them go near this thing ever. If you see it on the television, you switch the television off. Don't go anywhere near. Do not listen to anybody who tells you this is the thing that we must avoid, the satanic possession of the Ferbin. Feribin. Ferbi, remember his name from your memory. I can't help you no more. I have told you what I need to say. You have to listen to what I say, and now go and protect your children and your families. Do not forget Antichristos. And now we will do the Ferbi prayer I told you before. All together, please, as we rehearsed before. Thank you. Dear God above, protect us from the Furby and guide us away from his fluffiness inside, and protect us against his demonic sexiness. Amen. Don't forget, we have the fundraiser next week to build another 60 churches. Thank you.